Hi everyone, welcome to the Looney Ballooney Learning Centre. As always, I'm Tess, and today we're going to look at some ballooning fundamentals, linking balloons, okay? So I'm going to show you in this video how to inflate and size your linking balloons and then how to tie them together correctly. All right, so I've got two 12-inch linking balloons. They come in 6-inch and 12-inch. From most high-end balloon manufacturers carry the linking balloons now. All right, so we're going to inflate using our electric air pump. Now, in traditional round balloons, when you're using a sizer, this is a slide sizer or a box sizer, you would put it in this way. However, with linking balloons, the distance we want to measure is between the connections. So we would then hold it side by side, the tip on one end, the neck on the other, and that's the measurement that you're going to take instead of sliding it through. You can see there's a difference. It's important to measure them correctly, okay? So you would then tie that off, your first one. We're going to put that aside for a second while we do our second one, okay? So again, deflate it to where we want it. Size it sideways instead of pulling through or on the box. If you have a box, you can still size it sideways into the top of the box, okay? So just because you have a box doesn't mean you can't do linking balloons, okay? Now, we've got it the right size. I'm going to grab the neck and the tip of the previous balloon. You never want to go neck to neck or tip to tip. It's always neck to tip, okay? You're going to tie these together very tightly. For linking balloons, for all balloons really, but especially linking balloons, you want to make sure you get a very tight connection. We're going to go around once. You can do it a second time if you really want, and then tie it off. Once, if you're not worried about cleaning up your mechanics, okay, if you're going to put like a big quad in there that's going to cover it, once is fine. If you are going to have to cut your mechanics because you're doing like a teardrop effect, you're going to want to tie it twice. All right, I hope this helps in your journey of ballooning it yourself.